In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Elementor on WordPress. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows you to build and design beautiful websites with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, Elementor can be an invaluable asset to creating a visually appealing website. To get started, let's first navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need to integrate Elementor. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll see a variety of options available. Today, we're focusing on the Plugins section, so go ahead and click on Plugins. A drop-down menu should appear. Click on the Add New option. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, where you'll find thousands of plugins designed to enhance the functionality of your website. Next, let's make our way to the search bar, which is located in the upper right corner of the screen. Type in Elementor Website Builder and hit Enter. This search will retrieve results from the plugin directory, showing you the Elementor plugin we want, among others. Make sure you select the one named Elementor Website Builder, developed by Elementor. It's important to choose the correct plugin to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with your theme. You'll recognize it by its logo and name. Once you've found the correct plugin, you'll notice a blue button labeled Install Now next to its description. Click this button to initiate the installation process. It might take a few moments for WordPress to download and install Elementor, depending on your internet connection. After the installation completes, the button will change to say Activate. At this point, go ahead and click Activate. Activating Elementor is a crucial step as it makes this powerful tool accessible from your dashboard. Once activated, the Elementor menu should appear conveniently displayed in your dashboard. You'll find it located on the left sidebar, typically towards the bottom. This menu is your gateway to customizing your WordPress site with Elementor. Here, you can create new pages, edit existing ones, and access a wide variety of design templates and features. Now that you've activated Elementor, you're ready to start designing stunning pages and layouts. Explore the powerful features and enjoy the ease of building a professional-looking website with just a few clicks. Remember, you can always return to the Elementor menu to tweak and update your site as you grow and develop your online presence. Thank you for watching today's video on activating Elementor on WordPress. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're ready to start designing with one of the most versatile tools available. Happy creating!